નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, let's move ahead in the poem 7.2, The Duck and the Kangaroo. It's written by Edward Lear. This is a special type of poem. What is this? This is known as humorous poem. Humorous poem શું છે? We feel little bit laughing where humor is there. But behind this, there will be a fantastic moral of the life. This kind of humorous poem is also known as the nonsense verse. Verse is equal to poem. કોઈ માણસ જે છે બુદ્ધિ વિનાનો હોય તો આપણે એને શું કહે છે? સાવ nonsense fellow. Like that, this kind of poem is also known as a nonsense verse. And this nonsense verse gives us a fantastic moral of the life. Apart from that, our logic will not be ready to accept what is written over here, what's told over here, what's the theme of this poem is. And yet we will accept it as a poem, nothing else. And after that, what we will learn, that will be the moral of this poem. Here, two characters are there. First character is duck, and another character is kangaroo. Kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. It means this poem is having basic concept from Australia. We can find out duck here also. We cannot find out kangaroo here. So that the background setting is from Australia. One more thing is there. Duck is speaking human language. Kangaroo is speaking human language because there should be a common communication tool so that only there can be easy conversation is a communication. For that purpose, here common communication tool is equal to human language is gap for the communication, for the conversation of a duck and of a kangaroo. What's the conversation? What is their talk? That is written over here. That is the theme of this lesson, of this poem. Near about 5 stanzas are there. Out of these 5 stanzas, the entire poem, entire theme is over. After that, we have to think what we have learned from this poem. This is a humorous poem of a kind which is known as nonsense verse. It's written there in the introduction paragraph only. And it is written by Edward Lear. And this is also known as a humorous poem. What's there? The duck said, in different way I will read so that you will feel this poem just like not a verse but as a prose, you will feel it. To make it easy, I will read it in an easy way. Said the duck, the duck said to the kangaroo. Duck said to the kangaroo, hey, good gracious, how gracious you are, how lucky you are. Why is it so? How you hop, how you jump. Because kangaroo is having capacity to jump anywhere else at any time. over the fields and over the water too. If water path is there, kangaroo will jump. If narrow water path is there, kangaroo will jump from here to there, there to here. If fields are there, kangaroo can cross it with jumping. 2 or 3 jumps it requires. Can cross it easily, can move speedily over the fields and the water as if you never would stop. You are never tired, and then also you will enjoy it like anything. You never think to stop. Simply you are going, jumping, going, jumping, going. How gracious you are, how lucky you are. Almighty has given this special characteristic to you. Almighty has given special characteristic to you. Think for my life. I told it for you. Think for my life. What's my life? My life is a boring one life. मेरा one. In this nasty pond, dirty pond, clumsy pond. I have to be here only. This is the area of the pond, and I will be in the surroundings of that pond only. This is my life, and so that this my life is boring life for me. Who says this? Duck to kangaroo. First of all, duck appreciated the life and characteristic of kangaroo. Now duck fly upon him, regrets own self. My life is bored in this nasty pond, and I long to go out. Long means I desire to go out from this pond, but I cannot. With whom I will go? How I will go? With whom I will go? In the world beyond this pond. My world is this pond. This pond is equal to my world. My world is equal to this pond. Bas. I want to go out. I long to go out. I desire to go out from this pond. Because this is a limited area for me. For you, entire world is just like in a moment you will move, you will jump from here to there to here. I wish I could hop like you. How you are hopping, jumping, moving constantly, enthusiastically. Like that, if I can, I will also move. I will also go where I like. I cannot. This pond is my life, and my life is this pond. Said the duck to the kangaroo in such a way. This is the first stanza, whatsoever. First part of the poem was over. Next to that, second part of this stanza starts. Duck requested, please, give me a ride on your back. Let me sit on your back. Give me a ride. How we are used to get ride with our friends on bicycle, on horse, on camel. Like that, please give me a ride on your back. Said the duck to the kangaroo, I would sit quite still, just like an object. हलचल नहीं करवानी, एमने बस. I will sit on your back, quite still, and say nothing but quaking, speaking something. बोलवा में क्या हालो जरूर नहीं. Nothing, simply, I'll sit. The whole of the long day through. For entire day I will sit there quietly, without making any disturbance to you, without making any physical movement. I'll be there on your back. Please, 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 yeah. Give once a ride on your back. And we would go to the deep and the jelly, bully, over the land, over the sea. Wherever we want to go, we'll go there. Over the water, over the sea, over the land. And Moj Karishe, please give me a ride here. Please take me a ride. Oh, kangaroo, please do it now. Please give me a ride. Said the day duck to the kangaroo. Please give me a ride so that I also can hop like you. You are so gracious. Almighty has given this capacity to you. On the contrary, I am having nothing. Simply this pond is my life. My life is this pond. Nothing. Then afterwards, what happened in this poem? That we will come to know little later. Till that, if you want to write down anything else, write down from the same board. Till that, goodbye to you all.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.